Hello, I'm Tilly and welcome to my kitchen. Now today I'm going to show you how I make my hot chocolate mix. This is such a lovely hot chocolate and I've had so many people ask me how I make it, and it is so simple. So I'm going to show you today how I've made this gorgeous cup of hot chocolate, and it is so lovely. I hope you'll enjoy it and I hope you'll make it along with me. So to make our powder mix, we're going to need cocoa, powdered milk. I'm using Nido, but you can use whatever powdered milk you like, but I really like this Nido. We're going to need icing sugar, or some countries call this confectioner's sugar, and I have mine in a tub. We're going to need some corn flour or cornstarch, and some salt. I'm using this pink Himalayan salt. You can use whatever salt you prefer. So it's really simple. We just start off with our bowl. I always sieve the mixture just to make sure there's no lumps and it mixes really easily. So 1 cup of cocoa powder, cocoa powder can go quite lumpy, so I do always make sure that I sieve the cocoa powder. We're going to do 2.5 cups of milk powder. One cup of icing sugar. Now you can definitely use more icing sugar if you want to, or confectioner's sugar. We don't like it too sweet, depending on your taste really. All these quantities are to your taste. You'll soon find out what you prefer, but we don't like it too sweet. I mean, you could double the sugar or even triple it if you wanted to, but we just do 1 cup of sugar. Two teaspoons of corn flour or cornstarch, whichever you call it. This adds a bit of thickness to it, not too much, it just makes it nice and gives it a bit more texture. So if you want to put a little bit more in, feel free just to put a bit more in. And about a teaspoon of salt. The salt helps to bring the flavours out, so I always do add the salt. And then I just give that a really good mix. Make sure it's thoroughly mixed, so whenever you're getting a scoop of it out, you're getting a bit of everything in equal quantities. So that's given that a really good mix. Now all I've got to do now is to put it in my jars. And we're done. And that's a litre size jar, just for your reference. It fits nicely in a 1 litre size jar. So lid on, and there it is, ready to go on your shelf for making your beautiful hot chocolate. So I'll make a cup of it up to show you how I make it. I use a quarter cup of the mixture to a mug of milk. So you can either mix it in the cup or in the pan, it's entirely up to you. I tend to heat the milk in the saucepan, but you can also put it in the cup and microwave it. Do it however you want, really. So I use a quarter cup of the mixture, and drop that straight in. Now if I was mixing it in the cup, I'd use this little whisk. Because I'm mixing it in the pan, I'm just using my big old whisk. So, good mix. It mixes really easy. And then straight into the cup. And then you can't have hot chocolate without mini marshmallows. So if you like them, put some mini marshmallows on the top. Oh, look at that, beautiful. And that, to me, is a perfect cup of hot chocolate. So that's my hot chocolate all made. I'm going to make another one for Neil, and then we're going to sit out in the garden because it's a beautiful sunny early evening and we're going to enjoy our hot chocolate. I do hope you enjoyed that. I hope you're making one for yourselves, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.